Hello guys, today I'll be showing you a particular strategy that you can use to trade any market. Yeah, you can use strategy to trade any market. So without wasting our time, subscribe to the channel, like and share. Subscribe, like and share to your friend, to everybody, so we can make the market together. So this strategy is a very vital strategy that has been working so far. So I'll show you without moving. It's a simple strategy to set up, and it's working like a giant. Once you confirm that it's already happened, when the setup is set, so you enter the market with your confirmation. So without wasting our time, how do we set up the strategy? We are using moving average, two moving average. Yeah, the first moving average will be period 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to I, and the style will be, you can make it 2, you can make it 1, you can make it 3, depending on the way you want it to be. So period 10 simple, that is the first moving average. Then the second moving average is period 10, and the method is exponential. Yeah, exponential is the method. Apply to, you understand, I. So these are the two indicators, two moving average. So again, you add your RSI with the level 87.32, 87.32, 50 and 9, and your period 1. So again, on your moving average, on your relative index, strength index, you add your moving average, which is your moving average, which is period of 1, method simple, apply to close, and pixel can be 2 or 3, or depending on how you want it to be. So now, how does this indicator works? How does it works? So you can see, for those that like long trade, when you see that, for swing trader, long trader, when you see that your moving average at the your moving average on the indicator, on the RSI, is at the overbought or oversold. Your overbought is the level of 87.32, while your oversold is the level of 9.00. So when you notice and see that your overbought, your moving average is at the overbought level, so you sell, you prepare to sell. So you now notice at the top that at that point, when your blue moving average cuts your red moving average, then it's a strong indicator for sell. You can see at this point, see it here too, this one too is telling us that it is overbought, why this one is telling us that they already cut the blue indicator, the blue moving average called the red moving average. So again, when it is at the oversold, like for here oversold, the blue cuts the red moving average upward, but for it to sell, it will cut downward. If it cuts upward, that is a strong buy. If it cuts downward, that is a strong sell. So let's back test this and see how it works. You see, imagine this, imagine you enter the market here, see the dollars you will have been having now. Imagine, let's see another example. Okay, see this again, imagine it's cut here, so, and it's at the overbought region. See drastic selling. So let's check another one. Okay, see this again, see another one. Okay, see this is another one. Imagine drastic selling. So far so good, so far so good. We are see this one again. See, see the sell. See. I will see the buy. Oh, yep. See this. See, see, see. So that's how the strategy works. Subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe, like, and share. I'll be uploading many videos depending on the market and on a lot of indicators, a lot of strategies. I'll be uploading many videos, so you can text me on WhatsApp. Check the description. You can join my Telegram group. You can message me for anything you are wondering or you are bothered about. So I'll be glad to attend to everything you wanted. So if you need any video that I should talk about or you want me to do a video for you, then you can tell me so I can do that as well. So subscribe, share, and like. Thank you very much, everybody.